step on the track like the fingers of Thanos.
I only hang out with people with the same ambition, mind, and goals. And you have to do the same thing.
All I have in this world is my flag and my sword. I'm on the battlefield with the flag of my Lord.
Yo, welcome, man. Since today is Saturday, y'all should know that as traders we do not trade on Saturdays, okay? Unless you trade crypto, okay? And fun fact, I used to trade with crypto, okay? I started trading on Binance with crypto futures, okay? Because my friend introduced me to trading a while back, you know. But yeah, regardless, today I will not trade because it is Saturday, okay? But I'll take you with me in this day in the life as a day trader. And also, some of y'all may wonder like, oh, did you have a great trading week? Absolutely, super profitable week, calm week. And yesterday was the biggest day for me. I made 1.5K in a single trade, and with good risk management, A+ setup, super solid. I was live trading with my Discord. Everyone got paid, everyone learned, signals were sent, everything was, explained well. And if you want to join, it should be in the link in the description. Also, if you want to join for free, there's a free course, free sauce, free everything, free community, everything that you need. So, free sauce. So links should be in the description. But yeah, man, now I'm gonna eat some food, just a little bit, and then I'm gonna head to the gym. All right, so I'm on my way to the gym. All right, man, so back at the gym. So today I'm gonna hit some arms and also some back. And for my pre-workout, I had some ice cream, also some potatoes and chicken. So you feel me? Chill day, chill Saturday. Like literally, am I the only one who literally don't know what to do on weekends? Like, what can we do as traders on weekends? Like, let's be honest. There's nothing much to do except to enjoy life, but life is charts, you feel me? Life is charts, okay? That's the quote of the day. Okay? If you want to make some money, mind on the charts. Nah, I'm kidding. That's one way to fuck up your psychology, but regardless. So, but yeah, man, let me hit the workout. Goddamn, that's what's up. All right, bro, this is my gym fit, you feel me? Slides. And this is not even a tank top. This is like a, I don't know what it is. It's like a sleeveless top, sleeveless shirt. I kind of like these. And I'm gonna take the watch off, but maybe, I don't know if y'all use like watches when you work out. Maybe I should buy like a Apple Watch or like a, tracker. But do I really need one? Let's be fucking honest. Do I need one? Like, I'm one of those guys who just like to work out and get the fuck out of here, because some motherfuckers just be scrolling on the freaking phone and it takes like decades for them to do the workout, you feel me? But what I was about to say, yeah, this is the episode two or day 2 of these vlogs, day trading. But I mean, today I'm not day trading, but I'm giving value, okay? That's the main point of this, and that's why you're watching this. But for some, like, do you guys enjoy to watch these kind of videos? Like, should I post more of these kind of videos? Let me know, because I haven't always posted these kind of videos. But I think I already asked that. But regardless, let me hit the workout now. Let me hit the freaking workout. Let's get it. All right, man. Gym day done officially. And let's be honest, I'm not that much of a gym guy. I just go to the gym. So I don't know how to pose, but let me try some, okay? So I'm not sure how should I do it? Or I honestly don't know. I literally just did some not that big of a weight with deadlifts and arms, pull-ups. Did I did some more? Yeah, that's all I did today. Pretty chill Saturday, you feel me? I don't know if you can see this. I mean, it's pretty decent, I guess. Yeah, but yeah, now I'm going home. Alright, by the way, guys, do you want to know what is the #1 way to prove that you're better than everybody else? It's actually simple. It's to actually show up every single day, whether you feel like it or not. Because if you think about it clearly, hold on, 99% of the people already cannot do that, to show up every single day, whether it's recording videos, whether it's it show up to the markets every single day. Think about it. Just gotta master the thing that you're dealing with, okay? Master your craft. Show up every single day. I've already seen a lot of success just because of doing that, okay? Alright, man, now I'm home and I'm gonna eat some food. Actually, never mind. I'm gonna go to the shower, eat some food, and I will holla at you guys, okay? I will update you guys always, okay? It's currently like, hold on, I can just check. What is the time? Okay, my other phone is dead. It's almost 8 p.m. in my country's time, and I know, kind of lazy Saturday, but that's how it goes, okay? That's what's up, and I'm still working. I'm recording this video, okay? So, value. All right, man, I just came from the shower. I get the pow, and now I'm gonna eat some food, you know? I took some creatine. I don't use it consistently, which I think is a problem for me. I should use it consistently. I should take it consistently. So I gotta learn from my mistakes as well. So that's one flaw. And then I'm gonna read some book because, you know, I'm a lifelong student. I'm a lifelong learner. Even though I have the skill of making money in these markets. So what, bro? I want to learn more, okay? More. That's the mindset you need to have, okay? Because there's just so much knowledge out there that you can get your hands to, okay? I promise you, okay? Reading books is pretty good. Watching YouTube videos, you can also learn from it. Movies, I don't know if you can learn from movies that much. But there's so much knowledge out there, okay? You have to understand that books, YouTube videos, a lot of value. And don't be scared to invest in yourself, invest in knowledge that could make you more money or that could help your life in general. And that's what's up, okay? Invest in books, invest in knowledge. I guarantee it will pay off, okay? It will most definitely pay off. But yeah, I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna go for a little walk, maybe see some friends maximum, and then I'm gonna come back home and edit this video for you, okay? And, you know, just another day in your life, you feel me? And this is lazy Saturday, what I want to call it, okay? That's what's up. Look at this car, bro. Kind of beautiful, ain't it? I guarantee you, bro. I'm gonna have better than this one, okay? I'm gonna have better than this one. Just watch, okay? I'm that confident, all right? So, man, I'm out here with my friends, and I want to give you some value, guys, before I end this video. So, I only hang around with people with the same ambition, mind, and goals. And you have to do the same thing if you really are serious about your goals. So if you're serious, comment what you think about this video, and also join the free Discord because it has the free community, course, everything that you need to become profitable at trading. Alright, man, as usual, I'll see you on the other side. Peace out.